Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is what is the Darien Gap? The United States recently deported 104 Indian migrants after a harrowing journey through the Darien Gap, a dangerous stretch of land between Colombia and Panama. The deportation follows the crackdown on illegal immigration led by former US President Donald Trump, with immigration discussions between Trump and PM Modi. Local communities in the region are overwhelmed while the environment suffers from deforestation and pollution caused by the surge in migration. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501-87501. Darien Gap Journey. The Darien Gap is a treacherous 97-kilometer stretch of rainforest, swamps and mountains, part of the only break in the Pan-American Highway. Migrants, including Indians, travel through this impenetrable area as part of a larger migration route to the United States. The journey is extremely risky, involving dangerous terrain, criminal organizations, and severe weather conditions. Known as the Donkey Route, migrants pass through countries like Panama, Costa Rica, and Guatemala before reaching Mexico and attempting entry into the US. Humanitarian crisis. The number of migrants crossing the Darien Gap has surged in recent years, with over 5.2 lakh migrants in 2023 alone. Many migrants face extreme conditions including food shortages, disease, violence, and exploitation by criminal groups. The region has become a hotspot for human trafficking and organized crime, with cartels profiting from migrant crossings. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary reason migrants cross the Darien Gap? To reach agricultural job opportunities in Panama as part of a larger migration route to the United States, to find better weather conditions in the Americas, to join the indigenous tribes in Colombia. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.